Here we are, we're at Performance Assembly Solutions with Roush, about to take a look at some of the superchargers and stuff that they do behind the scenes.
It's off.
Yeah, that's fine. So, you guys build the illuminator engines here, right?
Yes. Yep, do that here. So you can see that we wash, grind, get all the debris off it, get the rough edges off, and select fit each one of these components to put in there.
And this is the station here where they assemble everything. It's all very precise as far as very calculated measurements for torquing each bolt and so on and so forth. They can't actually go on to the next bolt until they've completed the torque process on the first bolt and so on. So everything is done and computer controlled, so it's all assembled perfect.
They go on, you know those double-decker buses in England? They that's what they go on. So that's what that's for. But yeah, that's the product there. Right now, we're not building any superchargers right now, correct? No. And let's see, we which one are we building next? So here we go on this. So it's
Is that for the new 2.65 or is that the old 2.3?
I believe it's a 265.
Okay.
And what it has an abradable coating on it. So once we put it together, we put it into the spin tester, which we spin up to 15,000 RPMs, which takes that abradable coating off and makes it form fit. And we get a printout on each one of them, so we know, like, each station set up so that it can't pass through without showing that it's passed all this testing. It's filled with oil. If this thing doesn't see that it's registered oil within 15 seconds of us building it, it shuts everything down, because you do not want a supercharger in there with no oil. It also does sound checks, and we have different applications in here to make sure, verify that it's doing it correctly. We're not getting any sounds. Different colored over there, significant for each sound that we need to check for in the morning, and then that way it says, yep, we're ready to go, and we can start building. Cool.
Like tourists.
Yeah.
I need a fanny pack.
No.
Get a promotional opportunity. I'm telling you.
No, that's awesome. When he built it here, he was so excited about it. He goes, "Really, I get to build it?"
Oh, yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, so it was really cool. Those guys are great when they come in here.
Oh, yeah.